Hi everyone. We're at the log deck cutting wood for the for my daughter's senior all-nighter for her class for a fundraiser. We're back down there. Some of you saw it on the live feed. We're just going to cut some today. Thankfully, we've got some cloud cover this morning anyway. It'll probably burn all the clouds off later on and get hot again, but we're going to cut what we can today and see if we can maybe finish it up. I don't know. There's quite a bit left. So anyway, what we got today is we're going to try out this GoPro mount or camera mount. Chippy sent this to me, so we're gonna try it out. I've already tried it out a little bit, and I modified the case to this. This is the Hero 4. So yeah, I'm doing a test. Some of the video that you'll see will be on saws, with this on saws. Before I modified it, I drilled holes where the microphone goes, because anybody that's used one of these enclosed cases, it's kind of muffled and it's not really the right sound for the saw and stuff like that. And there's a vibration that you'll hear, and it's this lever that is creating, I believe it's this rod right here, and the rest of it could be vibrating some too. So if you hear some weird noises, it's probably not the saw. It's probably coming from this vibrating back into the case and to the camera. And we also have the old school Firewood Sizer, this and a can of spray paint. But something else that we got from a awesome subscriber, just sent it, is the Firewood Pro SIZER. It's a laser that you mount on your handlebar, and for stuff like this, I think it's going to be great, because I don't mark my firewood when I cut for myself. But these orders are for 16-inch wood, and that's what we've got it set at now. And it's just that. This is the laser, and this is the mount. 2 screws there, one here and one here, and then 3 screws, and then one to tighten, to clamp this. After you get it all adjusted, then you tighten it all down, and it seems to stay solid and not wobble around and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, we're gonna give that a go. So if you see a laser through the GoPro video, that's what that is. And I'm sure it won't be exactly perfect every single time, but not expecting it to be. Not trying to make it absolutely perfect, because that's not, that's not real world. I'm going to show you real world. So I hope you enjoy the show. Like I said, we're just cutting up the rest of the log deck. This is what we've got cut so far. Full length of the log deck. It's absolutely nice wood. Western larch and Douglas fir, all of it. So hopefully you enjoy the show. Thanks for watching thus far. Welcome to the new subscribers. Thank you very much. Thanks everybody that's been hanging out and hanging around for a while. We appreciate all of you, and enjoy the comment section. Don't forget to go check out the store, TazLand. It's in the About section. There's 2 different stores, and under this video, when you click on it, should be some of the merchandise. There's lots of it, so go check it out at the store. Every little bit helps. Thank you. worked pretty good. Eliminates the time it takes to stop. Take your stick, whatever your marking device is. Eliminates all that time. Hi there. I sped this up a little bit and used this view just to show you kind of how I work this pile down, and just making cuts with the 390, just testing different things. We're still in test mode of 390 carburetor and 394 carburetor, and in the muffler mod. We're also testing the sharpness of chains, different filings, different raker heights, things like that. Yeah, so thanks for watching, everybody. Really appreciate it. Love ya. Hope you're all having a great day, and I hope you all having an awesome start to the week. Hope everybody had a good weekend. Be kind. TazMan is rolling. The 390 is that chain's quite a bit hungrier than it was on the live show. It's pulling good. That saw is cutting nice. Hot start trick don't work. I can tell you that on this one. That's frustrating. Really frustrating. So after running the 26 almost out of gas, I figured, oh, 572 will start back up. Nope, still wouldn't start. So we'll just run the little 026 a little bit more. Thanks for joining me at the woodpile today. Cut a little bit longer than I planned, but we had some cloud cover, so it wasn't too bad. It's starting to get pretty warm now. It's about 11 o'clock. So yeah, anyway, boy, it sure makes it nice when you have the proper tools for the job. PV, saws. Oh yeah, that laser, you know, it takes a little bit of getting used to, but it works pretty darn good. I think it's a great thing. The swivel mount would definitely make it a bunch better, for sure. Especially if you're going to go, you know, and having an extra mount. Also, if you're going to have multiple saws or whatever, you know, so you don't have to change it in and out. You just get it set on your saw, and you just take the laser out, slide it in the other one. So mounts will be next for sure. But I appreciate everybody joining me. It's sure fun. I know it's not. It's just hanging out at the woodpile. It's not out in the woods or anything like that, but hey, it's saw therapy, right? Let's go check out the wood pile. You guys remember what it looked like this morning, right? Oh yeah, see those blocks down there? 4 16-inch blocks on end. That's how much we got left. This stuff here is all cut that way. Then we just got this big one. We'll finish it up tomorrow. I'll have some help. Mama Taz says she can come help me in the morning, so I'll have some help. That stopping cutting and throwing it out of the way, that's where the energy spent. I think that's where the kids would have come in handy this weekend. We got wood all over the freaking place. Look at this. It's awesome. Awesome, everybody. Thanks again. Appreciate you. Appreciate all the support. Hope you're all having a great day. Love you all. Take care and be safe. TazMan is rolling. Go check out the Pro Sizer. Firewood Pro Sizer. Go check it out. Be kind.